Episode 13. Grab a seat. We're at an izakaya.
Welcome back, everyone. That's right, Leo. We have transported ourselves to a classic Japanese izakaya. For everyone listening, an izakaya is a type of informal Japanese bar. It's a place where friends and co-workers gather to unwind with drinks and snacks after a long day.
So it's like a pub or a tavern. Sounds like my kind of place. I see lots of small dishes and drinks on the menu. I'm ready to dive in.
Exactly. But before we eat or drink, there's a very important custom. We must make a toast. The universal word for cheers in Japan is Kanpai. Let's break that down. Kan and pai. One more time. Kanpai.
Kanpai. I can definitely remember that one. All right, let's do it.
Okay, listeners, this is your first interactive drill. Get your imaginary glasses ready. I will count to 3, and then we will all say it together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Kanpai! Excellent. Now the fun can begin.
Okay, Sensei, that first kanpai made me thirsty. What's the most classic first drink to order at an izakaya?
An excellent question. While there are many choices like sake or highballs, the undisputed champion of the first round is beer. In Japanese, beer is a loan word, so it sounds very similar. We say, biru. To politely ask for it, we use the magic phrase, wo onegai shimasu, which means please, or I'd like. So to say, a beer please, the full phrase is, biru wo onegai shimasu.
Okay, ビールをお願いします. Got it. Hey listener, you seem to be getting the hang of this. Can you order one for me? I'll owe you one. Sensei, lead the way.
Let's do it. Time for your next drill. First, just the word for beer. Repeat after me. Biru. Very good. Now, let's try the complete order. A beer, please. Say it in the pause. ビールをお願いします.
Ah, fantastic. That hit the spot. Thanks, everyone.
Now, Leo, I will teach you and our listeners a pro tip. A very natural, very common word used when ordering the first round. It's a way to say, for now, or to start with.
Ooh, a secret level up word? I'm listening.
The word is とりあえず. It signals, let's just get this started, and we'll decide on the rest later. So, if you want to sound like a local, you don't even need the full sentence from before. You can just say, とりあえずビール.
とりあえずビール. That's it? That's so much easier. It sounds cool too, like beer, stat.
Something like that. It's very efficient. Now listeners, your turn. Let's practice this cool natural phrase. Just repeat after me. とりあえずビール. Perfect. You're sounding more like a regular every minute.
Ah, I like the sound of that. And hey, what if we want another beer?
Great question. In Japan, it's very common to just say, もう一杯ビールをお願いします. One more beer, please.
Oh, that's simple.
It is. You might also hear ビールもう一つ, which means one more beer. There's actually a counter being used here, 一杯, but don't worry, we'll dive into counters in another episode.
Got it. One step at a time.
Exactly. For now, just remember, もう一杯ビールお願いします. And you're good to go.
Okay, so I've got my biru, but now I'm getting hungry. What are some classic izakaya snacks, sensei?
Great question. 2 of the most essential izakaya foods are edamame, which are steamed soybeans in the pot, and yakitori, which are grilled chicken skewers. Let's learn those words. First, edamame, and grilled chicken skewers, yakitori.
Edamame and yakitori. I know those. I love yakitori.
Then let's order some. Now, for food, instead of onegai shimasu, it's very common to use wo kudasai, which also means please give me. So listeners, here is a pop quiz. How do you ask for yakitori? Did you figure it out? The answer is 焼き鳥をください. Great job. Let's get that order in. All right, team. Our drinks and snacks are on the way. Now it's time for a high-energy 3-round speed drill To lock in today's words, are you ready? Round 1. Repeat after me. Kanpai. ビール。枝豆。焼き鳥をください。Excellent. Round 2. A little faster now. 乾杯。ビール。枝豆。焼き鳥をください。Final round. Maximum speed. Let's go. 乾杯。ビール。枝豆。焼き鳥をください。Amazing work.
Wow, I am full. That was delicious. And that speed drill was intense. My brain is as full as my stomach. Thanks so much for listening, everyone. We had a blast. Sensei, before we wrap up, what's today's scholarly tip?
For today's scholarly tip, you'll often hear both お願いします and ください when ordering, and they're both correct, just used a bit differently. お願いします is more like please, I'd like this. So it's great for orders like ビールをお願いします. On the other hand, ください is used when you're directly asking for an item, like 焼き鳥ください. But don't worry too much about the difference. Even if you mix them up, you'll still be understood. The most important thing is to try and speak. The rest will come naturally over time.
That makes a lot of sense. So even if I'm not perfect, I can still order with confidence. I like that. And thank you all for joining us at the izakaya and having a drink with us today. Next time, in episode 14, we're heading to the yakkyoku. Don't worry, nobody's hurt. We'll just learn how to explain simple health issues just in case.
またね。